Hello everyone, I am Vidyashree Shivakumaraswamy, Master's Graduate from the Faculty of Agriculture. I feel very blessed and I am beyond honored to represent the University of Bonn graduates from all the streams. The past 3 years of my learning and experiences mostly come from being part of the most talented and most diverse class of MSc Arts program. Having colleagues from more than 15 countries, we had the small version of the city of Bonn in our class. And I'm not flexing when I say this, but luckily I belong to the last batch that enjoyed 3 semesters of normal student life, the city of Bonn and all of Europe in its true vibrant state. Being used to such a lifestyle, little did I know, well little did we all know that when COVID-19 pandemic hit, it would take a toll on many aspects of our lives. Nevertheless, this journey was successful. I never imagined that I would be virtually supervised, virtually defending my thesis and virtually graduating. I also never imagined that coming from the global south with an average lower middle class background, I would be educated to this point and I would get this opportunity to congratulate such a big audience. I assume we can all relate to similar experiences from our own lives. And I'm sure there are many inspiring stories among most of you here. I would like to credit this milestone to all those amazing people who helped me to steer until here. Let us give a round of applause to all those people that existed in our lives, especially our faculty members who scrambled to make learning easy for us by adapting to the current situation. Our parents, our friends, our near and dear ones for constantly supporting us and being there whenever we needed them. When I started this master's program, I had a naive idea that climate change mitigation was majorly a problem of the first world. It was unsettling to learn how agriculture systems are impacted by it and how agriculture system is contributing to it. Through the modules we learned from the best of the professors in their domain, through the on-field experiences and learning from my colleagues, I am confident that it has laid the important foundation in the making of future scientists, economists, policymakers to address any upcoming challenges in the global agriculture scenario. And when I say this, I am also talking to all those graduates in other streams, be it mathematicians, physicists, chemists, biologists, informaticians, medical doctors and all of them. You might be disheartened by the opportunities you did not get. You might be not satisfied with the grades you received. You might also not be convinced with some of the opinions or personalities around you. But the bigger picture is, you have shrugged off all these doubts and you have accomplished this daunting task of finishing a master's degree. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to yourself for that hard work. Here is what I want to share with all of you, including myself. Never stop believing in yourself, never stop being curious and never stop learning. When you have managed this against all the odds, along with surviving the pandemic with sanity, I believe you are fully equipped to go to all the places life will take you after this graduation. So take it easy and always know that you're loved, you're important, you're beautiful and you are capable. I would like to try congratulating in German too. In der indischen Kultur gibt es ein Sprichwort, welches besagt, die größte Wohltätigkeit ist der Wissensaustausch und durch das Leben gelernte Dinge sollten geteilt werden, damit eine Gesellschaft sich weiterentwickeln kann. Ich finde, dass Deutschland eines der besten Beispiele dafür ist, indem es freie Bildung anbietet für alle, die etwas lernen möchten. Ich bin sehr dankbar für diese Möglichkeit. Ich gratuliere allen Unibonn-Absolventinnen und Absolventen und wünschen Ihnen große Erfolge in Ihren zukünftigen Unternehmungen. Once again, many congratulations. You've made it so far and you will make it in the future too. This is your day. Celebrate your success to the fullest. Thank you very much and namaste.